How to disable Reel Remix on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then simply scroll down and click on Sharing and Reuse. After you click on Sharing and Reuse, you will find this kind of screen. Here, simply turn off Allow people to create with and reuse your account, posts, and reels. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to disable Reel Remix on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.